Hi there everybody, Midnight Trinity here, and today I'm going to let a color selector choose my makeup colors. So since I have my face paint, most of it's going to be face paint, but it's also going to be makeup. And I'm going to use a selector and I'm going to try to get as close to that color with what I have in my palettes. Anyway, if you want to see that, please continue. And first thing we're gonna pick is foundation, so let's okay, not white, so green. Oh, this is gonna be fun. The green's a little dark, so I'm gonna do that once more. I don't have purple in the palette, so I gotta do it again. So, blue. But let's go in with this light blue. So there we go, the foundation. I look like a crazy person. Okay, now for the eyebrows. So since I don't have that color, okay, so we got a fuchsia. So let's go in with eyeshadow. Let's see if I have a green that bright. And so I'm actually going to use eyeshadow for this. So that brush is not going to work. Secondary eyeshadow color. So light pink. So let's just put some pink on my finger. Put that in the outer corner, or inner corner I mean. So and use it to highlight the brow bone. Okay. Let's do eyeliner. Yellow. Fun! So. Okay, so let's do some contour. And light purple. So I'm gonna say that it's like this color. Let's take one of the brushes that I have that I don't care about getting too messed up to kind of try to okay, let's pick a so every time you turn the phone it changes colors, as you can see, but let's do highlight. I already did yellow, so did purple. So let's try to use a teal. So I don't have teal. Let me look at another palette. Ah, funny bone, no. So let's do that. Okay, that's not gonna work. I have to find a shimmer shade. La 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 la. Because if it doesn't shimmer, it doesn't shine. So instead, let's put glitter. Since none of my highlight is gonna and I think all I have left, I did contour, I did highlight, I did eyebrows. I'm not going to do mascara because I don't have any colored mascara, so let's do lips. So bright pink. So I think I actually have a pink in that shade. Let me look and see if I have a color like that. So you saw. That's the closest I have, so. So I know this looks a bit crazy, but that was the whole point of this, to look as nuts as I could, and don't think I'm gonna do anymore. This is the finished look, and if you liked that, stay tuned for a little message. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to give a message to everybody that I hope everybody's staying safe during this crisis of the coronavirus, and that everybody's able to get what they need. And I actually have some tips and tricks of how to survive some of the stuff. So if you guys need help with anything, don't be afraid to reach out, because I'm more than happy to help you guys. And if you like that, please subscribe, like, comment, anything. I'll talk to you guys. Anyway, see you later, lovelies. Bye.